I'm checking the channel here because I haven't been on here in a while, and 592 subscribers so far. I don't know why, but thanks. Getting closer to 600, and when I get to 600, stuff's gonna change. So you're, But hey, I'm here. Let me apologize for not putting up any content in the last, 3 weeks, almost a month. There has been a whirlwind of stuff going on between work and 90% of it's work. It is work. It's all work related. Anyway, everything's back to a level playing field. Between that and I've had some health issues where I haven't felt good. I've got to go to work, so I do go to work, but I've had this sinus crap going on where it feels like the left side of my face wants to slide completely off of my skull. It's like this morning is the first morning in a long time that I felt like I actually wanted to come out here and turn everything on, even the radio, which is something I usually do if I'm not doing this channel, say radio. And so, but first time in 3 weeks that I've actually come out here and done anything in the building outside of, just coming out here and storing crap, which has turned it into a catch-all. It looks like a tornado or a bomb has gone off in here. And so that's what I'm going to spend my time doing today, is cleaning this place up and trying to get it back in some kind of order. But anyway, haven't bought any new kits. Haven't worked on anything. I'm going to this week, since everything started level off up there where I'm employed. And I wish I could go into detail about that, but I can't. What a train wreck that has become. But maybe later I can kind of disclose things, but that's what's taking the majority of my time in this god awful whatever. It's not COVID, for Christ's sake. I don't hear that word, but COVID is now I'm going to get on that political soapbox. I ain't going there. But I haven't felt good. And today's the first day in a while I have. So I got little crap I'm going to try to get in here and get done today. Like I need to put the transmission back in the Rift. I haven't done that. That's been sitting up there for 2 months. I haven't done it, but I need to. And so I guess just wanted to say, hey, I'm alive. I've had I've had a couple phone calls and concerns of people calling me, hey man, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I sure am fine. I just haven't felt the best, and trying to force yourself to do anything. Only thing I have done, and I hate to say this, is I have played a lot of golf lately. A hell of a lot of golf. Here right now, well, if you feel good enough to play golf, why can't you do something like this here? I don't know. It's just something about this building doesn't have my shop or my building. I'm in, in my shed, but I don't have air conditioning out here right now, and it is ungodly hot in the afternoon. So I haven't done a whole lot with that. Even if you turn this fan on, I got another fan over there, and try to get some kind of flow in here, some kind of airflow. It's still unbearably hot. So I haven't done that, and so we've gone to playing golf at night, of all things. There's a place over here close to me that is a completely lit 27-hole golf course, and we'll go and we'll play 9 holes at any given time. So yeah, I've done that. Been doing a lot of that, and but now the last 4 or 5 days, weather's been kind of crazy, so the humidity's not been as bad, and it's not as hot out here. So I'm going to get back out here and start doing something. And I'll have something, either a new kit or a ready to run or something going on this week. I promise you that. So hang on. Anyway, this is me just checking in, saying hello, good Saturday morning. It is, August the 5th at 6:27 a.m. at the time of filming this. I have already been to work one time this morning after getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning And so I'm gonna just I'm not gonna rest. I'm just gonna keep going and get everything back to normal. And I just again just wanted to say, hey, appreciate the concern from the ones that did contact me, and got something coming this week. You guys take real good care, and we will catch you on the next video. I promise you. And thanks for hanging in there. Remember, 592, get to 600, and we're gonna start pumping some stuff. I got some stuff I want to do, and it's 600 is the magic number. And so at that point, we're gonna get on it. Y'all take real good care. We'll catch you on the next one. I know this was Johnny on the spot kind of vid, but just felt like I needed to reach out there and tell you guys hey. And so we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.